Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is Flash Fill. It is one of the most interesting options in Excel. We can be proud that Flash Fill was created by an Indian, as nowadays it is the most frequently used feature. It is actually one type of artificial intelligence. Based on our actions, the system detects what we are trying to do and completes the action. For example, in the earlier days, we used to separate first name and second name from a full name using functions. But today, we are able to perform them using Flash Fill. Type John in the first cell of the first name and drag it down and choose Flash Fill from Autofill. Likewise, type Walker in the first cell of second name and drag it down and use Ctrl E, which is the shortcut of Flash Fill, and all the second names will be filled. Drawback of this feature is that it is not dynamic. If the name is changed in the name field, the corresponding cells will not pick it up. This feature will work if applied in the adjacent cells only. Now, we will create email IDs of all the employees. We will create it in the first cell and drag it down and use Ctrl E. The system automatically generates the email IDs of all the employees. Not only splitting, but these works also can be done using Flash Fill. Here we can see that the first letter of the names is not in capital letters. To capitalize them, we used to use formulas. But now, we can type the name properly in the first cell and drag it down and give it Flash Fill, which tells the system to capitalize them. Let us create short forms for these names. We will type in the first cell and drag down and choose Flash Fill. Now all the names have short forms. So you can see that those functions which were performed using formulas in earlier days can be now done using Flash Fill option, which is totally time saving and any common man can use them easily. We can join the first name and second name to a single cell using Flash Fill. Properly type in the first cell and drag it down and use Flash Fill. Now all the names are properly joined. We can separate the last letter using Flash Fill. For example, W is used for woman and M is used for man. We can extract them. Type W in the first cell and drag down and use Flash Fill, which will extract the last letter from all the cells. How about extracting year from a date? Earlier this was done using formulas. But now we'll just type the corresponding year in the first cell and then drag down and use flash fill, which will extract year from all the data. These are simple and easy things which can be done using flash fill. Practicing them in the provided workbook will make it very clear to you. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.